So, good morning, sir. So, we are the BSIT 2B. So, we can present our system by this PowerPoint. So, our title is the Student Management Record System. So, the group members of this study is Flores Heather Jean, Juarez Alea, Lero Archen, Lusong Nicole Faith, and Reyes Joshua. So, for the project context,
Project content. Educational institutions often face challenges in managing, maintaining student records efficiently. Traditional systems such as paper-based method or simple spreadsheets are prone to errors, time delays, and potential data loss. This creates inefficiencies and in data handling and access, hindering effective decision making. To address these issues, there is a growing need for a centralized digital system that simplifies record management. The student management record system is designed to streamline this process, providing a robust solution for managing and assessing student data securely and accurately. So, alam naman natin na ang mga teachers, gumagamit sila ng traditional system na yung sinusulat lang nila yung mga record ng mga students sa paper or nilalagay nila sa spreadsheets gaya ng Excel na prone to errors and time delays. Tapos hindi naman maiwasan na may madidelete ng data or matatapon yung papel na pinagsulatan nila. Kaya ginawa namin yung system na to para mas mapadali yung pag-record nila, pag-add and pag-remove ng mga students dun sa system. Basically, yung purpose nito is to enhance the way student information is handled. Kung paano ba ito na store, na-retrieve, and na-read. So, makikita po natin naman sa system namin kung paano ba nare-restore ng maayos and paano nare-retrieve and na-update, na-edit yung mga information ng students and paano ba ito na-handle in a safety and secured way para na rin sa mga students natin para maprotektahan natin yung mga information na ibinigay nila sa atin. So first, it's centralized data management by storing all student records in one secure location, ensuring easy access for authorized users. Second, it enhances accessibility, enabling users to retrieve information and time and anywhere. So yung system namin, sir, ang pwede siyang gumana kahit walang wifi and kasi may storage siya. So, pwede mo ma-retrieve yung information mo, pwede mo siyang mabuksan anytime, anywhere. So third, it improves data accuracy by automating process and reducing human errors. Fourth, the system offers efficient reporting capabilities to generate insights into student information, school events, and other metrics. Lastly, the system ensures scalability to accommodate future growth and implements robust security measures to protect sensitive information. So, isa sa mga parang security ng system namin is yung admin lang yung pwedeng maka-access nung system na yan. And hindi pwedeng may access ng iba kasi hindi naman nila alam yung password ng admin na magamit niya.
it is a private system. So, to check the system itself, so we're gonna check it.
Tapos program files, times 86. Tama tayo yan pa. Custom student management.
Kaya babasa ako natin. So, here's the system itself. So first, you're gonna log in and input the information needed. So, the username we use is my nickname.
So, sir, nag-register na siya kanina. So, try natin kung pwede siyang malog in.
And next is the password. Where's my last name? And we're gonna check if it is working. So you're gonna click the login. So as you can see, the system works. So to check, if the information is there, you're gonna view the subject and schedules. So here's the subject name and schedules.
So, as you can see, sir, may date siya and time. And yung mga subject niyan is naka-base sa program, kung anong program yung tinitake mo or pinili mo. Kuwari ay siya kasi, sir, pinili niya yung BSIT, kaya yung program ng, or subject ng mga IT na course is nandyan.
Yes. This as you can see, readable lahat ng ginamit na format. Besides. Next, you're gonna view the academic calendar. So if you're gonna check some events, so dito makikita ng students yung events or kung ano man yung hinahanap niya.
And also, andyan din po yung name at saka yung specific date at saka yung description. So, bali, kompleto na po siya.
After checking, you're gonna click this OK. And next, the generate QR code.
So, if po, ito sa Google Lens, makikita niyo po dyan yung name ng student.
Yung information po ng students yung lalabas siya sa
Makikita niyo po if tama po yung QR code po. Mag-a-appear naman po dyan yung name niya and yung ibang info about sa student.
Once you scan this QR code, the information of the students will appear. So after checking, click OK, and then after you're done checking some informations, just click this like.
So ngayon, maglalagin tayo as a admin username, tapos admin 1, 2, 3 and password. Login. So ayan.
Check the information. So the manage students. So here you can add student, you can edit the student, the student.
Yan, try
You can
natin
delete
mag-edit ng
and you
students.
can generate the code. So first, try natin muna mag-edit. For example, itong kay Lusong. Palitan natin. Like,
Long dates. Wait.
oo. Charot lang. Let's say fate. Okay. Same information. And then, yeah.
Try mong ano yung program. Ay, meron.
And then yung ito. The next, yeah. Let's say, yeah. So no errors. So if you want to delete some students, you can delete them. Ask ka naman niya before you click. Delete natin.
Yes.
So, ayun. Next, generate the, sorry na. So first, magsaselect muna tayo ng students. Yeah, ayun din yung QR code.
Katulad din siya nung kanina doon sa nag-login ka as user, yun din yung mga QR code. So, as you can see, admin lang po yung nakakapag-edit and add and delete ng mga students dun sa mismong system. So, makita po na secure naman po yung mga infos ng mga students.
Okay. And then next, you're gonna manage, you can just manage users. So if you want to edit some users' information, the username and the password. Yan. Pwede yung siyang palitan. Okay, malusong. Palitan mo na rin yung password. Lagay mo is oval. Malusong. Yan. You can save. So yun. Next, if you want to delete some users, ganun din ang gagawin. Next, generate student report. Save na lang natin ito, diba? Yeah. So yeah, masasave siya as PDF. Do we check the PDF? No, no. Okay. Next, lastly, you're gonna log out.
So, try naman natin mag-register, sir.
Let's try to register.
Yes.
Register.
Register boy.
Then is header. Password niya is Jean Bilog. Confirm. Yan. Sabi natin spaghetti. And then, lagay natin first name niya is, syempre, header. Last name niya is Lusong Flores. Gender, I think it's a male. No, female. Birthday, 2000. Dito na lang. Pwede naman gamitin ito kasi. Kaya kahit ano na lang. 2004 daw siya. Ayaw na ibahin yung birthday niya ngayon. Anong day?
21.
Wow! Okay. Contact number is 0999999924. Sobra.
Address.
And then the address is Florida. Select program, BSIT,
No. Yes.
Wow.
Para masila yung sabi.
BL. So, ilalagay natin is header,
Try po natin ilagay yung niregister natin.
and then
Jean below.
Jean Bilog. Kalimutan ko. Then, login.
Login. So, ayan. Successful po yung pag-register natin kasi na-login po natin siya ngayon. Then,
Next.
BEd po yung sinelect nating program. Tignan po natin yung mga subject and schedule. Ayan, makikita
Ayan.
po natin, education, nursing, college, review. So, nag-function naman po ng maayos na pati po yung sa mga ibang program. Hindi lang po siya sa BSIT, also sa BEd, and sa other program po. Tignan po natin yung iba if tama. So, ayan. Diyan po yung name, date, and description ng mga events.
Yeah. So, once na na-scan nyo to, lalabas syempre yung information ni header as an BL.
So, after all of that, sir, tignan natin din siya sa access. Tignan doon yung mga information na nilagay natin or na-register natin.
So, we're gonna log out first.
Then, tignan po natin if nag-link po or na lalagay po sa database.
Here.
Student
The students.
So, eto po. Dito na po yung sa database natin. Makita po natin si Lero, si Faith, and si Heather. Ayan. Tama naman po siya. So, accurate naman po yung mga pinag-i-input natin and yung lumabas sa database.
Nag-double lang po kanina, sir, kasi as you can see, iba yung birthday na nakalagay yung isa kasi tinry na namin. So, tingnan natin, sir, kung mas-save sa PDF. So, as you can see, nandyan yung kay Lusong, kung kay Lero. Dahil sinave na namin kanina yun, sir, before i-register yung sa akin. So, ito po yung installer, sir. Pindutin lang po ito. Yan. Then, yan, nilitaw po yung do not discount. Pag ni-yes nyo po yan, sir, automatic mag-i-install po yung student management na system na ginawa namin, sir. So, ngayon muna, sir, yun know muna natin siya kasi meron na tayo.
So, goods po siya. Meron siyang QR code, installer, and yung mga
Yung PDF po na nasisave po din siya sa PDF.
then yung mga ibang requirements. Nakita po natin siya dun sa present namin kanina, dun sa system. And also, yung sa database, goods naman po, nag-link naman po, and accurate naman po yung mga information na pinag-input natin and yung lumabas sa database.
So, thank you, sir. Hope you enjoy our presentation. And